Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block we got a whole bunch of ingredients. But with these ingredients, I'm going to be making you guys one of the best ever beef enchiladas casserole. Alright, so let's go ahead and tell you what we got here. Right here I have some Romano and Parmesan and Romano and Enchilada. No, this Parmesan and Romano granulated cheese right there. And I have some black beans. Right here some chilies. 2 cans of those. Right here some enchilada red sauce. Right there. And I have some taco seasoning that I made up, and I'll show you guys the link to that. And I have some pico de gallo. I have a link to that as well. And that's what this is. Let's see if I can show it to you guys. I had used it with some other stuff. So that's what that is. Alright, I have some cheese over here. This right here is mozzarella and Gouda mixed. This right here is some Kobe cheese, right here. This right here is some sharp cheddar, right here. And this right here is some regular cheddar. So keep in mind, this is got chopped up or shredded up by hand, okay? I already did that a long time ago. I made a recipe, I think it was a nacho tacos or something like that. So that's why I made up all these, so I got to use it. So those are the cheeses we're going to be using. We have some tortillas right here, just like 20 in this pack. And some lettuce. And hopefully I'm going to be making probably maybe 2 pans, but you just going to see this 1 pan. Alright. And the star of the show is beef right here. Now, I put a tablespoon of cumin in this, and I put like a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Alright? I already did that earlier. So now I'm just going to go ahead and move this out the way and put some of this seasoning in here, this taco seasoning. I want a bolder taste to it, if that makes sense. So I'll probably put like maybe like 2 tablespoons of this. And that's it. So do go check out that link when I made this taco seasoning, okay? It's awesome, but it's not potent. It's got good flavors to it. So that's why I put all that other stuff in there. All right? So that's what we should be looking like. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this over here, fry this up until it get brown. You guys don't really need to see that because I did a whole bunch of those. I got plenty of videos on me frying tacos, I mean making taco meat and all that good stuff. So feel free to go check that out. And I do want to let you guys know I will be doing a big giveaway. So look out for that. I'll be doing a video on that. So I encourage you guys to start watching my videos because it's going to be questionnaires to them videos. Alright? So saying that to say this, I'll see you guys when this stuff gets done. Alright? In a minute. Okay guys, I'm back, and I just wanted to show you this brown, and I'm just going to take these chilies and I'm just going to put them in here. Okay guys. Then also I want to take the black beans, half of those. Put them in there. Save some for the toppings. Stir that up. See if I can get some bag out. Oops, sorry. Working with 1 hand. I feel like bring the tripod over here. I'm going to let this cook for about a good not even 15, about 10 minutes. Then we'll take this over to the station. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Alright, here's the sauce right here. Now I did put me like about 2 tablespoons of this chili sauce right here in it, because it tastes kind of a little bland and stuff like that. So I mean, I like flavorful stuff. So what I'm gonna do here is pour some of this on this plate, just like that. And I'm gonna pour a little bit up in here, just like that. All right. All right. So we're gonna take our tortilla that I should already had it open. All right. Put these on top. This is what we're gonna do. Just gonna coat that on both sides, just like that. We're gonna put it in this dish. Like that. So we're going to probably do like 2-3 rows. Could have made it 2, but I would rather be safe than sorry. You can kind of flip these up on the side a little bit. Press down on that a little bit. Alright. Take these and wipe my hands off. And we're going to come in with our meat. Like that. Now you could use some ricotta and all that stuff if you wanted to, but I'm just going to keep it plain Jane. Alright. We're going to come in with our cheese. It's that Gouda and mozzarella mix. Give me a handful of that. So about 2 handsful. Like that. This is the Kobe. We're going to skip on that for a second. We come with the sharp cheddar. About 2 hands of that. Alright, and we come in with our cheddar. That was the white cheddar, by the way. A little bit right here. Then we come in with our Kobe. Just like that. Then we come back. We come in with our shells again. So I'm about to wet this up. That might be enough. Just like that, guys. Hope you guys can see that. Coming back in with some meat. Alright, I think that's good enough. Wipe my hands again. Then we just repeat the step. That's it. Go ahead and put this cheese on here. Alright, come with this cheddar again. Alright. Spread this out on here pretty good. I've used onions and all that stuff. You can put you some onions and stuff like that on here as well. Alright. I think that's good. Alright. Tortilla again. The last go of it. So I'm just going to put these on here just like this. We're going to pop this in the oven at 200. I mean not 200. We're going to pop it in the oven at 375 degrees. We're going to let it cook for about half an hour. So I'm not going to put any cheese on here, but when this gets done, then we'll put a little bit more cheese on it, and then we'll go from there. Alright. So you want to tuck these sides, you can. Take me a little bit more of this sauce. Put it on top. Now, if you have a brush, you could use it to brush. So we're just going to put this on top just like this, guys. That's it. Take these gloves off. Show you guys how it looks. We're going to put this in the oven. So that's it right there. Now we're just going to put this in the oven, okay? See you guys when this gets done. Show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm finna go ahead and check on this stuff. See where we at with it. Alright. Getting hot. Of course it will be at 375, right? Move this stuff out the way. Alright. So, let me get a glove. Okay. Alright, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take our cheese. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. So that was cheddar. Now I'm going to do some of this Kobe.
What are you making?
This is beef enchilada casserole. Alright. And we're just going to put this on broil because we want this to brown up pretty good here. And when it's browned up, I'm going to show you guys how it looks when it's done. We'll put the rest of this stuff on there. Or you can go ahead and put your little beans and stuff on there.
Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Yeah, and then if you wanted to put you some onions on there, you could. Well, I would like to put some black olives on there, but I didn't have no black olives, so hey.
Yes.
Oh, you don't like that? Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven. And I'll show you. We're going to go ahead and top it off with some of this this stuff right here. This is a pico de gallo. And then we're going to put some of these Fritos on there. Alright? See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. There it is right there. I'm going to take some of this Parmesan Romano. Sprinkle a little of that on there. Just dust it. But y'all probably like, what happened to that Parmesan? Yes, and what happened to that lettuce? I can't put the lettuce on there right now, but you can put you some lettuce on there, you know, individual plates or whatever. And what I do is shred it up and put little shredded pieces on there or whatever, just to have a little coolness to it, and go about your business. Okay, guys? All right, so saying that to say this, there it is right here. Let me see if I can pick this bad boy up, because it is hot. Show you a little close up. It is extremely hot. There you go. This is how I make my beef enchilada casserole. Alright? Alright guys, please give me a like, a share, and subscribe to the channel. And please do not forget, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I load another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. And I'm out.